Hey guys, welcome back to the series. In the previous video, we talked about how to chat with your ChatGPT, brainstorm ideas. We installed Python, we installed Cursor. Well, now it's time for the brains of the plan, installing Ollama. And this is a simple step, so let me just move here, over here, and voila. Alright. So to install Ollama, all you need to do is go to the Ollama page, download for Windows, Linux, or Macintosh, whatever you need. Now, the reason we're downloading Ollama is these. The models that you see here with the recent add of GPT OSS, which is the GPT-4, the one that is on your phone usually. The reason we download Ollama is to use it as the brain of our chatbot. It's how it's gonna speak back to us, it's how it's gonna respond, and it's how it's gonna be able to do all the extra things that we're gonna add to it later on with Cursor. And yeah, I mean, you can look through all of them, there are a lot. Even Llama 2 Uncensored is quite good. It doesn't have as many filters and I am an AI assistant kind of thing. Yeah, so we install Ollama. It's basically you download and you install, and then it shows up right here in your thing. It needs update, so I'm gonna install it for you in real time. So while it's installing, I implore you to think about the next video, which is basically what you want to make. So we have talked with ChatGPT about making a chatbot that receives my ideas and puts them as a list on Notepad, for example. So yeah, I think that's gonna be the next video. So yeah, this is it basically for the Ollama. It just installs and then appears here. That's it. There you go. It's done. Oh, sorry. My face. Webcam. Whoop. There you go. My face is in the middle. So you install it and it appears here automatically. That's it. Let's go back to the face. Hi. Alright. So yeah, this was the Ollama installation video. I'll see you on the next one, which is our actual coding start. It's the actual video where we will start coding. Be safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.